see it.
It's electric.
You gotta feel it.
It's electric.
Ooh, it's shaking.
It's electric.
Rigga, Miss Akira, she's a couple like a magic, she's a moving like electric. You gotta know it.
It's electric.
Now you can't hold it,
It's electric.
but you know it's there. Here and there and everywhere. I've got to move. I'm going on a party ride. I've got to groove, groove, groove. And from this music I just can't hide. Are you coming with me? Come, let me take you on a party ride. And I'll teach you, teach you, teach you. I'll teach you the electric slide.
Welcome back to Number Corner, friends. Happy Friday. I am super excited to be with you guys today. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. We're going to get started with our Number Corner right away. I'm going to zoom in because we revealed our card yesterday, but I'm going to zoom in closely so you can see. So yesterday, Tad, where's Tad? Tad. Oh, hi, Tad. There you are. You're still hopping everywhere. All right, so Tad was on, we ended on 48, so we're going to start there, that number today. And as you can see, our card is purple. The color of our card is purple. So on your hundreds chart that looks just like this, you're going to go to 48 and you're going to color in it purple. You're going to color that number in purple. So you can use this chart, parents, to color in the numbers that Tad has already hopped on. So going back, it says that we started at 48 and he went down how many? 2. That's right, he went down 2. So we're at 48 and the arrow says, as you can see here, that he went down 2. So I'm going to go down 2. 1, 2. What number is Tad on now and how do you know? Parents, you can click pause right here and you can ask your child, what number is Tad on now and how do you know? That's right. If you said 68, you're right. He's on 68. And what color am I going to make that? Purple. I'm going to make it purple. That's right, because the card is purple. So you can use a color marker, because Mr. T has a color marker, or you can use a purple crayon, a purple Crayola pencil, a color pencil, or a purple highlighter, and you can color that number 68 in. So now we're going to see on the number line how many hops he did to help us with our equation. So Tad was on the number 48. So I'm going to use a color and circle the number 48. There we are. And what number is he on now? 68. So is that number bigger or did it get smaller? That's right. It got bigger. The number got bigger, so we're adding as we're jumping. So he started at 48 and now he's ended. Tad is on 68 now. So the number got really big. So that means we're adding as we jump. So we need to figure out how many hops is it going to take, or how many hops did Tad take to get from 48 to 68. So I'm going to start at 48. I'm going to count my way up to 68. 1, 2, 3. We've learned a faster way to do this. Can you remind me? That's right. We can jump by our friendly tens. So I'm going to start at 48. I'm going to use another color so you can see our jump. I'm going to try blue. And I'm going to jump a whole friendly 10. So in other words, what is 10 more from 48? That's right. It's 58. So I'm going to jump all the way. Oh, there we go. I'm going to jump all the way to 58. I got it on the first try. I'm going to use a strategy to let me know that I jumped a whole 10. I added 10 more. All right. Are we at 68? Remember, we're trying to get to 68. Are we there yet? No, we're at 58. All right, so what's 10 more? Can I use a friendly 10 again? That's right, I can. I can use another friendly 10 to get me to my number. So if I add 10 more from 58, what number would that be? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number am I? That's right, I'm at 68. So 10 more. Oh, I was almost there. Almost had it perfect. 10 more from 58. There we go. From 58 is 68. Are we at our number? Did we make it to our number? That's right, we did. We're at 68. How many jumps did I use? So I'm going to write my equation now. I'm going to use a different color. So we started at 48. And we went forward because we noticed the number got bigger. So it's going to be, we're adding. So 48 plus, how many jumps did we do all together? Let's count. 10, 20. Add those jumps. 20 equals 68. That's right. And if you want to check your problem, you can unzip this. So when you unzip it, you do the opposite. So I'm going to do 68 if I wanted to check my work. 68, and I'm going to do the opposite of addition. 68 minus 20, and that gives me 48. So if you want to check your work, you can use a fact family to help you check. So I'm going to go to my calendar. Move that up just a little. There we are. Go to my calendar grid, and today is, copy and paste that just for the font, May 8th. 5 representing that May is the 5th month of the year. So 5-8 is how you write it. And then we started at 48 because we ended on that yesterday. And let's look at our cards. Remind us how many jumps we did. Or we can look at our grid. So we went down 2. 1, 2. We went down 2. So I will get the arrow going down. Copy that. I went down 2. And our equation was 48 plus 20. $48 plus 20 equals 68. All right, so we're gonna go to our days of school. So we count that as 100 because we completed that already, and you count on. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151. We've been in school for 151 days. So we've been talking a lot about coins and adding them together. So each day we add a quarter. So yesterday we talked about how 4 quarters equals 100 cents. But we added another quarter and we noticed that another quarter equaled 125 cents. And we noticed that if we want to write that using a dollar, it would be 1 decimal point 25, $1.25. So today I'm going to add another quarter. I'm going to ask you. So we said that 2 quarters equal what worth? So 2 quarter equals what? 2 quarters equals what? 50 cents. That's right. So instead of $1.25, I can just write $1.50 because I know that 2 quarters equals 50 cents. And I can add that like this. I'm going to erase that for us. I can write 100 because 100 cents, we have 100 cents, plus 50 because 2 quarters equals 50. 0 plus 0 is 0, my ones place. I'm going to code it. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is just 1. So 150 cents. If I wanted to write that using a dollar, I can write $1.50, and I can write it just like this. I can write it like this using dollar, or I can write it like this with just coins. All right. So friends, we are at Friday. I'm going to reveal the card for you for the weekend. Here is Saturday's card. And here is Sunday's card. I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. Have a beautiful weekend. Get rest. And I can't wait to see you again next week. Have a great weekend. Alexa, play. See you later, guys.
Some say it's a mistake.